Hello guys, good morning. This is your Maricoy Bichay, ang kumari mong tunay. Once again, another vlog, another day. I hope everyone is well. As for today's vlog, because today here in Hong Kong is a hot summer day, that's why I choose to go trekking and hiking at the moment with my friends, Ao the Explorer, and this is your Maricoy Bichay. So far guys, I'm still good and healthy. Sorry for not uploading very frequent, for I am working as a OFW, domestic helper here in Hong Kong, so I am not able to do vlogging and do the editing once in a while sometimes. So forgive me, for I am always busy doing my work as a helper, but somehow I managed to do my vlog today, for I do the trekking and hiking with my friend here in Hong Kong. So guys, please continue to watch and support me even though I am not frequently uploading my video. I hope you will enjoy my vlogs today, because today we are doing trekking and hiking, streaming, going to the streams and chasing waterfalls. I hope you guys will stay with me. Please enjoy watching. Today is Sunday. It's our day off. As OFW here in Hong Kong, it's not easy. Sometimes we need rest, we need peace of mind, we need something to something that make us to be relaxed. Kasi sa pagod at hirap sa trabaho araw-araw na ginawa ng Panginoon at pinagkaloob sa atin, ay hindi po naging madali yung buhay ko as a helper bilang kasambahay, dahil alam niyo po na foreign tayo dito sa isang lugar. Kailangan talaga natin yung peace of mind, yung ma-relax tayo, relaxation. Kaya isa sa mga bagay na nakita ko na nakakatulong sa akin ay yung mag-hiking. At dahil nga po sa ngayon ay summer dito, so we choose to trek the streams, magpunta ng waterfalls, kasi yung Musi tree, ang ano ba yun? Musi tree, no? Ilang years na kaya tong kwan na to, oh. Tignan nyo guys, oh, sa gitna ng bundok. Ano siya, yung puno niya ay nagmumusi na. Ang ganda-gandang tignan sa personal. Iwan ko lang dyan sa video kung gaano kaganda siya tignan.
Walang maglakad. Ayoko lang yung pupuntahan nilang sa dami-dami nila. Ayoko yung maingay. I-video ko tapos maglakad.
So ayan guys, after at least 1 hour or 1 hour and a half walk sa kabundukan, na-reach po natin ang lugar na ito, which is mag-start tayo na dito mag-hike or mag-trek sa streams na ito. Ito yung simula po ng pag-i-streaming. Kaya I hope guys that you will enjoy with me. Please stay and watch until the end of my video to support me to grow. So ito na po yung simula. This is the first water pool na makikita po natin dito sa lugar na ito. At hindi lang po yan nagtatapos dito sa lugar na ito yung aming pag-trek, dahil ilang waterfalls po yung ating dadaanan dito na aakyatin hanggang So far, dahil ito yung simula, so mga 4 o 5 waterfalls po yung ating aakyatin. Kaya stay with me guys and please enjoy watching sa pag-akyat natin ng waterfalls. See you guys. Thank you for always supporting me.
Kaya yan. Ganda nga. Video. Akyat ka doon no, sa gilid. Malamig?